Happy day, boys and girls! Today we're going to talk about our essential question and vocabulary for this week. This week we're going to talk a lot about animals, so I put a bunch of animals on my slideshow. I see some dogs, cats, rabbits, birds, and turtles, and even some fish. Our essential question this week is, how are some animals alike, and how are some animals different? That's our big question that all the things we do this week is going to help us answer. First, we're going to talk about some vocabulary, or important words that it's going to help us learn. Our first vocabulary word this week is the word appearance. Can you say the word appearance? Appearance is a noun. A noun are words that mean a person, place, thing, or idea. Appearance is an idea. Appearance is the way that someone or something looks. If we think about our 5 senses, appearance is something we see with our eyes. So if I look at my picture of my cat, it says fluffy fur and black spots are part of my cat's appearance, or how my cat looks. I use my eyes to look or discover an appearance. Our next vocabulary word is the word behavior. We have heard the word behavior before because Miss Rawson talks about our 3 B's or ways to behave in the morning on the announcements. Behavior is a noun. It is a person, place, thing, or idea. Behavior is an idea. Thinking of our 5 senses, we can see behavior, smell behavior, and hear behavior. I'm going to think about my dog for this example. When my dog has too much energy, you can see it in his behavior when he runs around quickly in my yard. He being silly. Has anyone else seen an animal with extra energy run around and be silly? I know sometimes I see my kindergarten friends running around and being silly when they have extra energy. Our next vocabulary word is exercise. We know exercise from gym class, but exercise is a verb or a word that shows something that you do. Exercise is to do physical activities in order to make yourself stronger and healthier. In PE class, we do lots of different exercise to keep our body healthy. What's your favorite exercise? My favorite exercise is jumping jacks. Our next vocabulary word is the word wander. Wander is also a verb or something that you can do. Wander means to move around or go different places without any direction to go. When he was bored, Alan decided to wander around the yard, so as to go from place to place without any speed or purpose for doing it. And our last vocabulary word is plenty. Plenty is called a pronoun, or a word to be used in place of a noun or with a noun. So, plenty means a large number or amount of something, or having enough of something for a purpose. So, there's plenty of room for the kittens to play in the living room. That means in the living room, there's lots of space, or plenty of space, for the kittens to play. So if we go back to our essential question, how are some animals alike and how are some animals different? We're going to dissect or take apart the sentence to figure out exactly what they're asking us. So how is a question word. So I know they want us to explain something when I see the word how. How are some animals? Oh, So the big topic for our question is animals. That's what we're talking about. Let's see. Ooh, alike. You may not have know the word alike, but I know you guys know this sight word that's in alike. The word like. So alike indicates that things are similar or equal to each other. So we want to know how some animals are similar to each other. And how are some animals? Ooh, we want to know how they're different or not alike, too. So we're going to take apart. We're going to try this. We're going to compare two different animals. So I've decided to compare my cat to my dog. So how are my dog and cats different and alike? So I'm going to start with the alike side. So I'm looking at the picture of my cat and my dog. Oh, I can see they both have black and white fur. That's one way they are alike or similar to each other. Let me think of the vocabulary word we talked about. Oh, we just talked about their appearance when we talked about black and white fur. Let's talk about their behavior. Oh, I can see in the picture, I took both these pictures outside. So I can say they both like to be outside. They both like the grass. What else could I say? I know. I'm going to look at their appearance some more. I noticed they both have 4 legs. Let's see if I look at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say they both have 4 legs. What else could I say about the cat and the dog? That how they're alike. I also could say they are my pets. They're the animals that live with me to keep me company. Let's go over to the other side. How are these two animals different? Well, I'm going to start with their appearance because that's always an easier place because I can just use my eyes. I could say they are different sizes. My dog is much bigger than my cat. My dog weighs 50 pounds, where my cat only weighs 6 pounds. I'm going to think of the vocabulary word exercise. How do they exercise differently? Well, I know my dog likes to run, where my cat likes to play with toys. He has a toy mouse he plays with all the time, where my dog just likes to run around the backyard. Let's see. Another way they're different, I could say that my cat has whiskers, or there's little hairs on the sides of her face, where my dog does not. I also could say that my dog barks, where my cat says meow. They make different noises. So that's how I figured out how my dog and cat are different and alike. Can you compare two animals to discover how they're different and alike? I bet you can, and I bet you could even use some of our new vocabulary. I hope you have a great week, boys and girls, and that everything is well. Bye!